Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a Miele W1 Performance 1600 washing machine. It's a model number WMB125WPS. I'm going to show you how to clean the lint filter today. So down on the front, it's got this little button here. You put your finger in there and pull that out and that opens up, and then this acts as a little funnel. We've got a drain on the floor here, so I'm just going to let it run straight out. But if you were doing this in the kitchen or somewhere tidy, you could put a pan or something under this to catch the water. It's probably going to have about a litre of water coming out. It's coming out quite clear, which is good. I'd say there's easily 2 litres of water in that, if not more. Let's open that up and see. So there's a little bit of fluff in there, really nothing to write home about. Down in the back of it you can just see the impeller blades, everything looks clear. There's a little puddle left there, but so just with my finger give this a bit of a wipe. There's really nothing in that, there's nothing stuck in that filter at all, it's very clean. To finish up, just close it up. Get that dirt off it, and that's it. Let's give it a wipe and finish off that job. So that was the Miele W1 Performance 1600 washing machine. Thanks for watching, see you later.